Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to report an account directly from someone's profile on the X app, also known as Twitter, using your PC. The layout has changed with the recent update, so let's walk through the new steps together. First, open the X app on your computer, or head to the website if that's how you normally use it. Make sure you're signed in to your account so you can access the reporting options. Once you're in, find the account you want to report. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar, or by clicking on their name from a post that appears on your feed. Now you're on their profile page. Take a look toward the top. It's where most of the options are located. You'll see 3 small dots, often referred to as the More icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with different choices related to that profile. From that menu, select Report. This is where you'll start the process of officially reporting the account. Once you click on Report, X will ask you why you want to report the account. You'll see a few different options related to things like spam, abusive content, fake identity, or other types of rule violations. Choose the reason that best fits the situation. After selecting your reason, you may be asked to provide additional details or confirm your choice. Read the prompts carefully, then follow the on-screen steps until you reach the confirmation message. At this point, your report will be submitted to the X moderation team for review. Remember, reporting accounts helps keep the platform safer and more respectful for everyone. Whether it's for spam, harassment, or harmful behavior, these reports play a role in improving community standards. And that's it, you've successfully reported an account from their profile on X using your PC. If this guide helped you, consider watching our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using the latest updates and features on social platforms. Thanks for watching.